Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we'll learn about your Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix, conjugate transpose matrix, and questions asked on this from different competitive examinations. So what is Hermitian matrix? A Hermitian matrix is a complex square matrix that is equal to its own conjugate transpose. Now the element in the ith row and jth column is equal to the complex conjugate of elements in jth row and ith column for all indices I and j. So a Hermitian matrix is implies and implied by if each element of in position ij is same as the conjugate of the element in j and I position. Now let us see what is conjugate of a complex number. You know that it is a plus ib. Conjugate of complex number a plus ib is a minus ib. And what is a complex number? You know that it has a real part and another is a complex part, imaginary part when I is your iota, which is known as imaginary number. So 2 plus 3i, its conjugate is your 2 minus 3i. Similarly, if it is minus 1 minus I, its conjugate will be minus 1 plus I. So only the imaginary part, the sign is changed, that is to write the conjugate. And you know also the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of matrix is the matrix when elements of row are changed into column and elements of column are changed into row. For example, if I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, this is your matrix A, then conjugate of it, the transpose of this matrix is I'll change the column to row and row to column. So this is transpose. So we knew the transpose, we knew what is a complex number, what is its a conjugate number. Conjugate. Next, I'll go for some example. So one example is 2, 2 plus I, 4. And so this is a 3 into 3 matrix. So as the definition say for Hermitian, first it should be a square matrix. It should be a square matrix. Then it is a 3, 3 matrix. Then it should be containing some complex number. So here it is complex numbers are there. So here this is first is 2 plus I is complex. I is complex. 2 minus I is complex. Minus is a complex number. So it is a square matrix of 3 by 3 and it has some complex number. Then we'll first find transpose. Then you will get the conjugate of this matrix. Then I'll see that whether this is equal to A or not. So I'm going step by step. First I'm writing its transpose. Transpose is equal to, I changed the column to row. Then it is transpose. Next I'm going for conjugate. Conjugate means here the sign will be changed. 2 plus I sign will be changed, minus y will be changed and plus y will be changed. So it will be how? It will be a transpose conjugate is 2 plus I. You can observe it 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 2 plus I, here 2 minus I, and minus I change to y and plus I change to minus I. So this is, now can you find this A and conjugate of the transpose, are they same? Yes, they are same. Then A is called a Hermitian matrix. So Hermitian matrix is the matrix whose conjugate of the transpose is equal to same matrix. So this is a Hermitian matrix. A Hermitian matrix is The matrix A is your conjugate of the transpose. Next, some more facts about this. The conjugate transpose of matrix A is denoted by AH. Sometimes is also denoted by your A theta, but most of the times we use this one. Now, you can observe that some more facts about this Hermitian matrix is the diagonal elements are your real numbers. The diagonal elements must be real to be a Hermitian matrix because its conjugate is same as this number because there is no imaginary part. Additional fact about this Hermitian matrix is, which you should know so that you can attempt the question, the sum of a square matrix and a conjugate transpose of a Hermitian matrix is always a Hermitian matrix, like your common matrix A plus A transpose. If A is a Hermitian matrix, then its transpose, if when you take sum, it will be a Hermitian matrix. The difference of a square Hermitian matrix and its conjugate transpose, skew Hermitian matrix or anti-Hermitian matrix. Any matrix and its transpose, but A should be first year Hermitian. Its transpose is always skew Hermitian. Next is an arbitrary square matrix C can be written as sum of a Hermitian matrix and a skew Hermitian matrix as your normal matrix. C is A plus B, where A is C plus C transpose, and first C is what? C should be Hermitian, then only it can be applied. So B is equal to C minus CT. So these are the different formula we learned so that you can apply in questions. First is any Hermitian matrix and its transpose is always a Hermitian matrix. Similarly, A minus A transpose is also a skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix means or anti-Hermitians. Now coming to question. This is 2020 question set 1 NDA 1, 1, 1 and 2. So A is equal to 1 minus I minus I, 1 minus I, where I is square root of minus 1, you know that is iota. Then which of the following is correct? A is Hermitian, A is skew Hermitian, A trans conjugate transpose plus A is a Hermitian, and A transpose conjugate plus A is a skew Hermitian. First, let us see whether it is a Hermitian or not. Will it be Hermitian? No. Why? Because these diagonal elements are not real numbers. So here it is. First characteristics is your for harmonium real this diagonal elements, main diagonal elements from left diagonal elements, main diagonal elements should be 0. Are real numbers, sorry, not real numbers. So here they are not real numbers, so it is not a Hermitian. Similarly, it will not be a skew Hermitian on the same ground. Now coming to this one. First I'll write a conjugate. What is a conjugate? A conjugate is your 1 plus I and here minus I 1 plus I. Then I'll take what? I'll take your A. Is there, so then I'll take its transpose. So what is the transpose? It will be your 1 plus I minus I, 1 plus I. Then I'll take the sum of these two. sum A plus A. How much it will be? I'm adding these two. 1 plus I, 1 minus I. It will be 2. Then I plus I, 2I. Then your minus 2I. Then again is your 2. So this is your. Now let us see whether it is a Hermitian or not. So let the name is B. So 2 plus 2I. I am taking first its conjugate. So minus 2I, 2I, 2. This is the conjugate. Then I'll take the transpose. What will the transpose? This is the conjugate. I'm writing the B transpose. Then B conjugate is equal to B transpose is equal to 2I minus 2I 2. Are you getting the same matrix? You are getting your same as B. This sum is a Hermitian matrix. So C is the correct. So for any matrix, A transpose plus A is always Hermitian matrix. So I hope you have enjoyed. Subscribe the channel if you want to learn more and more. Thank you if you have subscribed.